Here's an example. I want to use a graphing calculator to compute the area between the curves to 5 decimal places. And my curves are y equals cosine x and y equals x plus 2 sine to the 4th x. In order to do this, the first thing you should do is graph those curves. I've provided the graph here. The red curve is the x plus 2 sine to the 4th x. And the black curve, hopefully you recognize as the graph of cosine x. So there are two regions that we need to find the area of. There's this region, and then there's this larger region. In order to find the area of those, we need to find the intersection points. So I just did this using my calculator. This x value is about negative 1.9119, and it goes on. This x value is about negative 1.2236, and it goes on. This x value is about 0.6079, and it goes on. So now the area of this smaller shaded section is the integral from the left side, which is negative 1.9119, to the right end, negative 1.2236. And then inside here I need to think top minus bottom. Okay, well the top is the curve x plus 2 sine to the 4th x, and the bottom is cosine x. So I subtract that dx. Okay, now that's the smaller area. To that, I need to add the other area. The other area is the integral from negative 1.2236 to 0.6079. Okay, and then again I'm thinking top minus bottom, but notice the top and the bottom have switched here. So the top here is cosine x, and the bottom is x plus 2 sine to the 4th x. In order to evaluate this function, I'm going to use the integration function on my calculator. Okay, so this is the first piece, that smaller area on the graph. So that's that second area, the larger area that was shaded in. Now I just need to add them together. Okay, and here's my answer. So from my calculator, I got 1.70413, rounding to 5 decimal places. The main thing I wanted to point out about this example is how if you have more than one region that the curves define, you need to be careful about setting it up and writing each integral separately.